Everywhere I look, people are asking, will AI take over digital marketing? Honestly, I get it. AI is writing captions, creating content, even running ads. And it's no wonder why people are worried about their business, their jobs, or whether humans are still needed. But here's the truth. It's not human versus AI. It's human using AI the right way. So today I'm breaking down what AI means for digital marketing and how you can make sure you stay ahead of the curve. And I'll even share a little about how I use AI in my business and the mistakes I made when I ignored it at first. So you don't have to go through trial and error. So think about it this way. Remember when calculator first came out, people think that kids will never learn math again. Or when ATMs start popping up, people thought tellers are done for. And I remember when I saw people at the bank using the ATM for the first time. And they were so sure that the ATM would eat their money. But guess what? Job didn't disappear. They evolved. And that's exactly what's happening with AI and digital marketing. But first, let's take a look at what AI can do. I mean, let's be real. It can create content, blog posts, captions, and even video ideas. I mean, I even had AI help me brainstorm my script. It can analyze data fast than any human, and it can help you understand your audience better. And it can also handle repetitive tasks like scheduling posts, sending emails, or tracking analytics. So yes, AI is powerful. It's not the whole picture. It's a tool, not the boss. And honestly, I still love adding my own personality to everything. It's what makes my content me. Now that you know what AI can do, let's take a look at what AI can't do. And here's the thing. AI can't replace a human creativity, emotions, or storytelling. Think about the last ad that made you laugh or cry or get inspired. That came from real human experience, not a machine. I remember the other day I saw a perfect polished AI ad and I didn't feel anything, no connection. And that's the difference. Humans brings the heart. Here's a good question for you. Have you ever read something online and you said, wow, this sounds robotic, and that is AI without the human touch. Now let's take a look at the real magic when AI and human works together. AI can do the heavy lifting, the research, drafts, analyzing data, while you focus on what really matters. Crafting your brand story, connecting with your audience, and showing up as a real person behind your business. See, I love thinking of AI as my smart assistant. It does bring the boring stuff, but I still get to have fun with the creative part. Honestly, it feels like having a helper that never complains, which, let's be real, that is every mom's dream. Now that you know that, now you know how powerful AI and human together. Let's take a look at the cost of you ignoring AI in your business. See, the scary part, ignoring AI could leave you behind. While you're manually creating content, your competitor is probably using AI and get it done half the time and spend the rest of their energy building relationship and closing sales. See, I remember when I first tried to do everything manually, I was exhausted and I wasn't seeing results. And once I started using AI to help, I finally had time to focus on connecting with my audience instead of just spinning my wheels. Now that you know it's going to cost you if you ignore it, let's take a look at the future because it isn't human or AI, it's human with AI. See, businesses that will thrive, they are combining automation and data with empathy and creativity. Because at the end of the day, people don't just buy product, they buy stories, emotions, and connection. And that's what only you can give. And I actually find it exciting because AI doesn't replace me. It actually helped me do more of what I need for my my business instead of getting stuck in busy work all day. So, to answer the big question, will AI take over digital marketing? No. It's here to transform, accelerate, and makes things more efficient. But humans, the storyteller, the visionaries, the entrepreneurs are still at the center. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you excited to use AI in your business, or does it feel a little scary? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to see how I use AI with my digital marketing business, go down to the description below to get access to a done for you system that will not only teach you how, but you'll also be able to earn at the same time. If you found this helpful, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, and see you on my next one.